Bom anya Luki. Hopi bendición. Bom tambe. En amigas. Bom anya. Hopi bendición tambe.
Hey. Good job, Daddy. Good job.
En nu moet je het zeggen in Surinaams.
Bonuyari?
Wat?
Bonuyari?
Geen bonuyari.
What is up, amiga? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Jennyfer Ross. And your boy?
Jennyfer Ross. Benny.
Benny Backs. Okay, so we are back with another video. Today is December 31st.
Nee, it's not 31st.
It is
31.
December 31st.
31, Jennifer.
It is not 31.
It's the last day of the year, some amiga.
Yes, today.
It's 31st.
Today is the last day of 2020 and we are just at home chilling and we are about to go start making our dinner for tonight.
And what is our dinner?
A seafood boil. I have been...
Fish boil.
A fish boil? Seafood boil I always
No,
see.
okay, that's good.
Seafood boil, fish boil, whatever you want to call it.
It's fish in it.
Yeah, it has fish in it. So we are gonna make that tonight and I am so excited. I've been seeing so many mukbangs of people eating this and I was just like, oh my god, I want to eat that. I bet that tastes so good. So today we're going.
It better be taste good, right?
Yeah, that was expensive. That shit was expensive. Oh my god.
We took some things off, otherwise it would be more expensive.
What did we took off?
The king crab.
Oh yeah, we saw the king crabs, but they were like 65 euros for just like a four legs or something.
For two.
For 2 legs?
2 king crabs.
But it wasn't even the whole crab.
Yes.
Was it the whole crab? Okay.
Oh, it looked like it.
Or maybe it was 1 king crab. I don't know. But it was expensive. It was 65 euros for 1 king crab. So we took that off and we have like a whole bunch of other things. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel.
And tell us in the comments how your last day of the year was.
Yes, let us know how your New Year's Eve was. What did you do?
And your new year.
And what is your new year gonna look like? What are your plans for this new year?
Curaçao.
Yeah, we definitely want to go to Curaçao. But yeah, that's a topic for later. We're gonna go to the kitchen, aren't we? It is now 5:30. Let's go!
Are you gonna let the amiga see what you got?
Oh yeah. Let me show you what we already have here. Here we have all our ingredients. Here we have crab legs. Underneath there we have pink shrimps and tiger shrimps. Tiger shrimp. And then we have mini lobster or Norwegian lobsters. And then here, that's also crab legs. Don't worry, our sink is clean. And then here we also have a red lobster. And then this one is another kind of lobster too. And here we have, like, it's the same, but this is what these look like. And then here we have some leftovers
that you are gonna hook up tomorrow, right?
Yes. So yeah, are you excited, Benny?
Very excited.
Yes, me too.
I was waiting for this so long.
Oh.
What are you doing?
I'm going to bake some lumpias because I think this is gonna take a while to be ready. So I want to make us some lumpia so we have something to snack on while we cook, you know. So yeah, first one is in the pan.
Shout out to Shomarita for hooking us up.
Shout out to Shomaritas for bringing us 50 of these. And I gave a few to Renato because 50 was a little bit much, you know. So Renato, if you already ate them, let me know how they were, bro. And if you didn't, you should eat them. They be good. I know that they're gonna be good. I just know.
Is it because your mom made them?
Yes.
Arrogant piece of blue.
So here we have our spring rolls, aka lumpias. And we're gonna eat a snack while we make. Mmm.
It's good.
Right? Thank you, Mama. My mom is literally the best.
Ready?
I am ready. First thing I'm adding is Maggi cubes. So let's put them in there. We have 2 pots because we don't take
As you
everything.
can see, we have a lot.
Yeah, so we
to
need
deal
2
with.
pots. Let me turn it up for a sec.
We have the
Start
potatoes.
boiling, then we will add it. So what I'm doing right now is seasoning the water. And for everything to go in, and we're gonna start off by doing the potatoes first. So I'm gonna do 2 per pot. And it's also good to use the Old Bay seasoning, but I couldn't find that here. So I decided to go with this. This is fine, let me put that there. Then next up, I'm also gonna use some of this. This is the Calnort chicken broth powder. 1 spoon, I think. 1?
Yeah. Is
Or 2.
is this a tablespoon?
Yeah, let me do 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons in each pot. Then we need some paprika seasoning. How much of this? Let me do it like this side. That much. Just eyeballing it. That much.
Fish spices.
Fish spices. And it's already open like that. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon. Come on. About a tablespoon. And then next up we got Cajun seasoning. This is also closed. Tablespoon of this too.
You should have taken 2 peppers, actually 2 pots, right?
Oh yeah, maybe you can take another one. Or we can slide it into, yeah, and put half of it in each. This may look like a lot, but you don't want this to taste bland, so. Oh, by the way, this is
Picante.
Picante. This is chili powder. It's ground chili. And also a little bit in here.
2 pots, Jenny, 2 pots. You're forgetting 1.
Next up is ground pepper. We're gonna do just a little bit. Oh, that's a lot. And last but not least, we're also gonna do some garlic. I'm just doing a tablespoon. Okay, with like a mixer, you want to just mix up this shebang.
This is some secret sauce, people.
Yeah, this is our secret sauce. It's not that much of a secret now anymore. But we're gonna add also some Xoxo. Smells strong.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna add in the potatoes.
8 here. Ooh, Yanni.
Sorry.
Easy. Update time.
Update time. We're now gonna add the crab legs. Then that situation can also go in.
Good.
Your finger.
Okay, because this one needs to go into the other one.
Yes.
What is that, Jennifer?
This is celery.
Is it your celery?
I think it's celery. Not my salary, but
Celery!
it's just celery. Added that to the boil too. And now you need to open this to add it in the other pot.
What is this, Jennifer?
That is Scorpio, I wanted to say, but that's not what it is. Did it move?
How is it gonna move if it's in half, Jennifer?
Oh, okay. That's a crab. No, that's
It's also a lobster.
it's a lobster.
A half one.
Half of a lobster.
Oh, it's a half one.
Yes, and then we cover it.
Is this what it is?
Yes.
Okay.
Put the lid on top. All right. It's boiling. Oh, it's getting steamy up in there. And here we have a little surprise. Because this one is now also red. Look. It's red now. What? Oh my god. Amiga, our food is ready. It looks magnificent. It looks so good. So we're now about to dive in and we're gonna do a quick little taste test for you. But it looks good. It looks good. Are you excited, Penny?
Yes.
Yes, we also made the Florida butter sauce. I followed a recipe that I found online, so hopefully it's good. But let's dive in. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Okay. Dipping it into the sauce.
It's really good.
It's really delicious. It's so good. Oh my god. Do you have money for us to eat this more often? This is delicious. Oh my god.
Maar ook de saus.
Period. This is good.
It's really good, Andreas.
We're gonna enjoy our food and have a little conversation together. And we will be back later. Okay? Amiga, we demolished this thing. It was very difficult to eat, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, and they're still like, we didn't do it correctly, I'm pretty sure. When I see people do the mukbangs of these seafood thingies, I see them go in and we didn't really do that. But I don't have the patience at some point, you know? But it was so good, it was definitely worth it. experience-wise, I really liked it. It also tasted very well.
Especially the sauce.
Yeah, the sauce was bomb.com. And yeah, it was quite an experience, but I really liked it. How about you?
I liked it too.
Yeah, the taste.
But when it came to the crab and the lobster.
Yeah, and cracking all of that open, like, oh my god.
Yeah.
It's really difficult.
I'm happy we bought those things.
Yeah, we bought like these, like you can crack walnuts with these, but also like fish. So these like little things. And we also have like these little skewers.
Squeakers.
So to get everything out and to get into every nook and cranny. So that really helps. And we also have like little gold forks. Yes. Cheers! Cheers, amiga, to a happy and healthy 2021.
Yes! Oh!
Yeah, it's 9:30 almost. So we're now gonna chill, I think. I don't think we're gonna do much. We were planning on making vision boards, but that's probably for another day, another vlog. I don't know yet. Maybe tomorrow, maybe also not. I'm not sure.
We're gonna at least clean up because amiga, the whole place smells fishy.
It doesn't smell fishy in a bad way.
Not in a bad way, but you can smell that you've made fish.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, but we're gonna throw all of this out, clean up, and I guess chill for the rest of the night.
Yes, wait for the time.
Yeah, wait.
You can also go to sleep and wake up at 12 and then yeah.
New Year! That's so boring to do that, don't you think?
Yeah.
A little wine, I'm happy. I'm happy. I ate most of the seafood, but then the potatoes I didn't because I'm full. I'm full.
I'm full too.
Full. It's done.
And we still have left.
Yeah, we have a whole pot. Oh, that's for tomorrow.
It was a good dish.
Yes, it was a good dish. It was fun to make it and very nice and cool to open it all up and figure it out and stuff. Well, amiga, we'll talk to you in a little bit or later. But for now, we're gonna clean all of this up and then check in with you later. Okay?
10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
I'm not happy. If there's something I learned.
Oh my god, this...
Let's watch first what 2021 is bringing us.
Don't touch anything. Keep quiet and let's see how this goes.
Don't ask for anything.
Yeah.
Walk slowly through the year.
Yeah, best thing to do, man. After that football, we went into a food coma. Right?
Yes,
we went into a food coma. Benny literally had to make us a cup of coffee to stay up, to just be awake when the new year starts. So I'm right here watching vlogs on my computer. Benny is over there playing a game. People were screaming outside. So yeah, it is the most dead new year ever. But hopefully it is the start of greater times again. The start of getting our lives back. I hope so. Like how it used to be. Let me not be like we don't have a life, but let's just hope that this is the beginning of something great, you know? So yeah, not much to do tonight, but I think we are gonna just enjoy ourselves, watch some vlogs. Benny's gonna play his game, and then when we get tired, we will head to bed. And we will check in with you tomorrow morning. All right, Benny?
All right.
All right. Okay, amiga, I finished taking a shower. I baked the shrimps. We have some pina colada that my mom made us. It's homemade, so it's gonna be so good. And here we have our vision board from last year. So we're gonna talk about it with you while we enjoy our shrimps. We didn't even do cheers. Happy New Year. So,
what's so happy about it?
Well, the fact that we are here, that we made it.
Actually, we should say this year, happy past 2020.
Yeah. Thank God 2020 is over. But I also feel like there were so many good things still.
Yes, there was.
Yeah, so even though something looks really bad, if you really think about it, maybe like think about it every month and look back, there is still something positive. So I feel like I also got a lot of positive things out of 2020. But it's just like, I feel like some of my freedom is missing. Freedom to travel wherever I want and go to the city whenever I want, things like that.
You can go to the city whenever you want. You can't go to restaurants.
Yeah, things like that, but like meet up with friends and stuff, that's just not possible at the moment. This is the vision board that we made in 2019.
When you also were yelling, Happy New Year in 2020.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think everybody's saying now, okay.
I'm gonna start with my side, the one on the top. That was for my Instagram. I wanted to be very consistent on my Instagram. I think I was. Just the last few months of 2020, I just wasn't.
Of last year. You don't have to say it anymore.
Okay, so just the last few months, I wasn't as consistent as before, but I feel like the whole year I was very consistent, to be honest. But I feel like always when I'm consistent on YouTube, I fall back on Instagram, or when I'm very consistent on Instagram, I fall back on YouTube. So I feel like you can't do everything at once.
True.
Yeah. On your side.
I wasn't consistent on Instagram. Just gonna make it short.
Yeah.
Mine is there.
Yeah, he has Instagram.
I wasn't consistent
whatsoever.
But yeah. The thing is, I need to get comfortable in making pictures.
Yeah.
I'm a camera shy.
Yes, you are camera shy. You used to be.
Yeah, for your YouTube camera.
Yeah, but even for normal pictures, every time I ask you to take a picture, then you don't.
Okay, then
Yeah, and even from his works, like I tell him like, let me make a video for you, and he starts like very excited about it, and then slowly down the road he just is like, yeah, whatever, I don't care that much. So that's basically how you are.
Jennifer?
Yes?
Why are you putting all my dirt outside?
I'm not putting all your dirt outside, but you need to know. You know that, right?
Yes, I know.
So?
Tell me. Don't tell the amigas.
But why?
You're next.
Okay. The next thing was good vibes only. I feel like I was very positive for the most part of the year. It was a small amount.
Good vibes only.
Yeah.
Is it from you only or?
Oh, also from other people around me. I feel like I didn't really allow the bullshit to come to me.
Someone is doing ganamiento, amigas.
Why? Why are you saying that?
Good. I'm not gonna put her dirt outside.
Why not?
No.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Bad
vibes.
Bad vibes. Can you bad
vibes?
Qua bad vibes?
A few weeks ago, still bad vibes came in. Okay.
Well, I didn't let her.
Well, she.
I didn't let her. Yeah.
Let's go on.
I didn't let her.
But
for the most part, I did good.
You did good. You did good. Positive vibes for me was also good. Especially with the whole Corona thing. A lot of friends of ours, from your friends also, right?
Yeah.
They're very positive, looking at the positive side. Even the ones that had like
major issues
going on. So, but happily, luckily, nobody lost family members, right? When it came to Corona, all of my friends were like very positive.
Yeah, we're gonna get through this, and that really helps, you know, to have positive people around you. So yeah, I feel like that as well. Even at my work, my colleagues and my manager Femke and Steven, thank you guys so much. If you're watching this, Y'all were so positive and always like, I could always vent if I had something going on, but also y'all were just so positive all the time. So thank you so much.
I know the beginning, it was weird going to work. Like the streets were empty.
Yeah.
And you were just at home, right? Because you couldn't go outside. And yeah.
I had a letter from his work because he works in the hospital. In case I needed to leave the house, that I could show the police my letter from yo, I need to go get something or whatever. Yeah. But it was very strange.
It was strange.
And still, we managed.
Because the roads I take to work are busy, very busy roads.
Yeah.
And to go to work like at 2 o'clock and the streets were like, it was 12 o'clock at night. It was so silent. You didn't hear nothing. You would just hear the wind, and it was like, it was really weird. And that clapping, you know, they were clapping.
Yes, yes.
That really brought back
positivity. Like here in our street, everybody was clapping at 8 o'clock. Like the evening cheer for all the people who work in hospitals and stuff.
Yes.
Like it
really helped.
Yeah,
it really helped. Yes. It really helped.
And I feel like we also grew a little bit closer with all the people that live in our street. So I feel
let's keep the spirit, that positive spirit this year.
Let's not get rid of that.
Okay, that was good vibes.
Yes. Then on my side, I have do what makes you happy. It was just a quote, but I feel like I did live by that. YouTube makes me very happy, and I did a lot of YouTube and taking pictures and giving advice, helping other people. Things like that. I really did what I loved this year. So, do you agree?
Yes. Mm-hmm. How do I know what side is your side?
This is my side and this is your side. Our goals together.
Okay. So
you don't even remember what was your side?
Because I see things there that also could have been yours.
Okay. No, these are yours. This one, for example, is you wanted to help me with my pictures, didn't you?
Oh, but I did. Yeah. I really did.
Yeah.
And it looks like it's paying off. So that was, yes.
Something from your side. Then on my side, I have healthy eating. Like this picture is for eating more healthy. And I feel like we did. We did eat like a whole lot of healthy foods. In the area where I live right now, or where we live right now, there are no fast food restaurants anyways. So I really have to do
That's what we thought. But she will always find a way.
What do you mean?
You found 2 restaurants that deliver fast food at home.
That Domino's and the shawarma place?
Okay.
But it's not like I did that every week or something. Anyways, yeah, so I feel like we did very good on that. We ate a lot at home. The fact that I couldn't go to the city, or I could go, but like most of the things were closed and
we
stuff.
Also tried a lot of new
Yes, we tried so many new recipes. And cooking at home, you saw it probably in the vlogs, but that's also something that I would like to still do in 2021, or this year. So yeah, on your side.
6 happy things people do, right? Every morning. So
exercise early.
That was working in the beginning.
We did, yeah.
In the beginning, but
for the first 6 months, we did.
Yeah, and
exercise early. Unplug for an hour. We did when we came back from the gym.
Okay.
Then take a shower. We shower every day, 2 times, some more. Don't hit snooze.
We hit snooze a lot. but listen.
We did wake up early.
I have an excuse for hitting snooze. Because most of the time I draw till late, like 3 o'clock or something like that. So I can't be waking at 6 in the morning. But sometimes I do. When you have the early shift and you work, then if I feel like I had enough sleep, then I do get up early with you. So yeah, that's 50-50.
Start the day with an affirmation.
Yes, we love affirmations.
Yes.
And Jennifer got a very nice book.
Yeah,
with how do you say it? Papiamento?
Yeah, affirmations in Papiamento.
Papiamento, yeah, that's very nice.
So he can learn Papiamento while he does his affirmations.
Yes.
So thank you, Love Please by Lulu. We really, really love that little book. And also eat breakfast. We eat breakfast every day. We did so good on
Favorite
that.
breakfast? Avocado smoothie.
Yeah, smoothie bowl. Then on my side, I have a picture of me, you, and Borgertje. It symbolized to go back to Su this year or last year. Unfortunately, that's
Actually, these two, right? These three.
Yeah, they are all belong together. Yeah.
Yes.
Unfortunately, we didn't go to Su, but I do feel that we came closer to our cultures through our videos,
Okay.
and yeah, we did it in a different way.
I wanted to do an art
Expo.
Yes, right?
Yeah.
And I came close, very close. It was really about to happen, but then Corona hit.
Yeah.
So,
It's not really your fault.
it's not my fault, but I came close, but it didn't happen. So we will see what we will do this year.
Yeah. On my side, I have a skill and it says gorgeous. And it stands for body positivity, loving my body the way that it is. What? Loving my body the way that it is. And especially loving my body while I work on the body that I want. And I feel like even that, I wasn't that hard on myself this year. I did gain some quarantine weight, but I think everybody did. So yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I'm loving the body that I am while I work on the body that I want. So yeah, your turn. A secret to happiness is letting every situation be what it is instead of what you think it should be.
Yeah, in the beginning, when they were giving us timelines, when Corona was gonna be done, and you were just waiting for that day, you know, and then they started to like allow more stuff and things, and then you think, okay, it's coming, and
everything shuts down.
And then everything shuts down. So I think we both came to a point where we were like, you know what? Just go ahead, and we'll see.
And actually, I feel like, especially me, but you more, we were very, very cool. We were fine. We were just at home doing our thing, making videos, working from home, having fun, discovering new things, and it was just the news that was freaking me out. And you, not so much, but you also came to a point where you were like, you know what, I need to stop with this because...
Yeah, but the reason why I was following the news in the beginning was we planned a trip to Curacao.
Yes.
And we already made arrangements for hotels.
Yes.
And
we had a whole lot of things booked already.
And we also had a certain date that we could cancel it for free. So,
and our friends Graciela and John were supposed to join us too.
But they were coming from out, they would fly in there from out Suriname.
Yeah.
And so
you cannot not follow the news because you need to know what is what so you can cancel things in time so you won't lose money.
Yes.
So that was more the reason that we were following
the news, yes. So after we saw like this is very uncertain and we didn't want to have to pay for a hotel that we are not in, or you need to pay a deposit.
Yeah.
And after a certain time you can't get your deposit back. We were like, you know what? Just cancel everything. And I think from there on we were like,
just letting it be.
Yeah.
I agree. But even though we were following it for that reason, it was making me so anxious and stuff.
Because they were like telling you this and tomorrow is this.
And nobody knows what is happening. So that was just very frustrating.
Yep.
Also be very consistent with my skincare.
Yeah, you did.
I was.
She even took me on that route.
Yeah. Skincare is a yes. It's just important, you know, and even like not wearing any makeup while I'm not going anywhere has really helped my skin. So yeah, I'm continuing with that.
Even drinking water.
And drinking water, yes.
Yeah, she goes to sleep with water.
Yeah. First thing I do when I wake up is try to drink a lot of water. Yeah.
And then she's gonna tell me, where's my coffee, Danny?
Yes. Yes. Simple. Yours.
Curacao. Let's talk
Yes.
about Curacao.
Yeah.
Because I have the feeling that that was the highlight of this year.
Yeah, that should have been the highlight, but it kind of was.
No,
Just-
but
we
that's what
just-
I mean. That's
yeah.
what I mean. Like,
We just didn't go.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, but the Amiga squad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're so grateful for you, and also for the fact that we get to learn.
Hey,
so much.
Lookie! Is Lookie right?
Yeah, Lookie.
Lookie! Happy New Year! Who's that
She
here?
is in Curacao right now.
Where does Lookie live?
Amsterdam, I think.
Oh, Lookie's from Holland.
Yes.
I thought that Lookie was living there.
No, Lookie lives in the Netherlands. But
Lookie's-
Lookie's on vacation.
Lookie is a Dutchie like you.
Yeah, no. Lookie, I think Lookie moved to the Netherlands when she was already, I don't know how old she is, but 18 or something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How do you say an Happy New Year in Papiamento?
Bon año.
Bon año, Lookie!
Bendición.
Wat is bendition?
What do you think?
Blessed.
Yeah, blessings.
Blessing. Nee, ik wil alleen bon año zeggen.
Geen blessings.
Bon año toch?
Hopi bendición también.
Hopi bendition tambe. Bon año, Lookie. Hopi bendition. Bon
También.
tambe. En amigas, bon año. Hopi bendition tambe.
Hey. Good job, Daddy. Good job.
Hey. En nu moet je het zeggen in Surinaams.
Bonuyari?
Wat?
Bonuyari?
Kimbonuyari. Wambunuyari.
Wambunuyari?
Wambunuyari. Mekoloku.
What? How was I supposed to know that?
Mekoloku.
Mekoloku?
Nangabung.
Nangabung?
Meet you.
Meet you.
Ja.
Whoa. Okay.
Laat maar. Let's go.
I mean, guys from Suriname, Happy New Year, okay? I will get it together, I promise. The Invisalign, I wanted to start working on a dental plan because I feel a little bit insecure about my teeth. But even though we didn't go to the dentist, I feel like we invested in new toothbrushes, the electric toothbrushes.
Oh my god, those are expensive.
Right? They were hella expensive, but I see that my teeth are getting wider.
And the scraper.
And the tongue scraper. We invested like in a whole lot of things for the health of our teeth, and now of our mouth. And now I want to like see what the dentist can do with like the crookedness of my teeth, because I have some crookedness going on. So yeah, I've always been insecure about it. And
You don't want to go to Turkey? Let them.
hell no. Hell no. I saw a video of a girl that went to Turkey and got like veneers, I think, and they shaved her tooth like they were like shark teeth. And never. I would prefer to wear like braces or something, and not like get that. No. My teeth are perfectly healthy. They're just crooked. That's all.
I bought last shoes.
Okay, did you?
I did.
Okay.
But in the end, it got a little bit out of control. Right, Jenny? But
You spoiled yourself, yeah?
yeah.
Yeah.
When you buy the first one, you roll back into your addiction. But
shoes are fun too. So it's a fun thing to buy, I feel like.
yeah, but
You don't need as much.
yeah.
It doesn't really matter. I feel like you did okay. Normally you buy all year through, and at least now for at least 6 months you didn't buy any. So I feel like it's still an improvement compared to the year before. Right?
True.
My turn. Savings. I wanted to learn, or not to learn, but just to save. I just put this up to save. So
You did way good.
Yeah, I did very good with that, especially the first 7 months. I didn't really spend any money because I was just afraid that I didn't know what was going to happen. It was just a very uncertain time.
But also for the vacation you were.
Yeah,
you
also
were
for the
sick.
vacation. But just like everything happening around me also made me very scared to just go ahead and spend money. So I was just very careful. I didn't really shop online, none of that.
You did great. You did
yeah,
great.
I did very
Because
good.
even when your laptop was acting up, you was able to buy a new one.
Yeah, and I did it right away. So
Yeah.
yeah,
So you did great.
yeah. And by the end of the year, I also spoiled myself a little bit, but I don't feel like I went crazy or something. So yeah, you're next.
I also have saving over.
Yeah.
Is that right?
How was your savings this year?
My saving was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was just very good. It was very good.
And also you see like that you normally don't need to spend that much.
That's true. But you know what the thing is also? I think in the end, what I got caught up with is like, you're sitting at home, you're just watching this and that, and I think it was little things that you may need it, like a sweater, but then you see a sweater, then you're gonna think, oh, maybe I can buy this too, and that too, and then you see more things. So then you get on a roll, especially with Zalando. When you, let's say you look at a jeans, they show you a whole outfit, and then you think, okay, this looks good as well.
Well, I have that same thing, but then with ads. So I buy, maybe I look at something, oh, I like this. And then a few hours later, I see something that matches that, or you know, but then on Instagram or something, and then I'm like, you know. So I feel it like that.
The problem with Instagram with me is like there are always shops that I don't know.
Ah, okay, yeah, I'm not ordering for shops either that I don't know.
Is it Saful or
yeah, those type of
Is that a real shop?
Yeah, it's a real shop.
We got to travel in the beginning of of the year.
We went to Barcelona.
Yeah.
Not even knowing that that was going to be our last trip for a while.
The other cards are from our landlord.
Yeah.
He's a very great guy. Yes. And we usually put only great things here.
Yeah.
So we have a few birthdays there.
Yeah. Also from our landlord and his wife. We didn't really send them anything. We just got caught up in everything.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh yes, I have a very good one. I wanted to get pregnant this year, or at least be pregnant by now. I can announce that I'm not. Yeah. Why am I not pregnant? I just feel like...
Yeah, Jennifer, why are you not pregnant?
Okay, I'm not pregnant because I want to go to Curacao first for the last time with Benny. And just be able to ride on a water scooter, things like that. And I just don't feel that that's going to be handy if I'm pregnant. And also, I've been pregnant before and I was sick as hell in the first few months. So
Weeks.
Oh yeah, weeks. It didn't even last that long. Yeah. So yeah, I was very, very sick. So that means that I probably risk having that again, and that's just a situation that I don't want. Do we discuss everything?
Yes. Be happy.
Be bright. Be you. I did that.
Alright.
Did you?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. That's that. But I think we're gonna wrap up this video. We want to wish you a very, very happy new year. Make sure to also make a vision board and manifest all the things that you want to see, you want to do. And I feel like this really, really helped us because we made it. It's not that we don't look at it, but we hanged it in a place where we see it a lot. But it starts to live when it's hanging there, I feel like.
Because you see it, you just see it. Even if you don't pay attention, you just see it. And I think that without you knowing, you are just manifesting it.
Yeah, that's true. So
Because the art expo, I put it up there and it just came out of nowhere. That opportunity came out of nowhere.
Yeah.
And I didn't even really was looking for it. It just popped up. Yeah. So I think you are manifesting it like in one other way.
So yeah, we definitely recommend making one of these and to put on it whatever you want because it's possible to get it, you know. So yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel, and we hope that you will ride with us this year as well, and that we will be here next year with another vision board and talking about how we have new goals that we did achieve and the travels that we did and all of that.
Okay?
Alright.
Bom año, amigas.
Bom año.
No redo this año.
Yeah. Masha Bomes.
Masha bomes.
Alright.